You guys, I am so excited. Today we're at 3318 East, 3050 South. Come on in, you're never gonna believe this. Amazing front area. Look at this, you guys. Look at this, the built-in shelves. Come back here. We have the bathroom. We have a kitchen that is amazing. And check this out, you guys. Pantry right up to the side, comes back to your back patio. We're gonna sneak back here before we hit the rest of the house because I cannot believe this part of it. So as we come back here, you've got the pool. By the way, you guys, these actually have, just like the spouts that come out, 3 waterfalls. And check this one out, you guys. This is a college-regulated 3-point basketball court, sport court, which could also be a pickleball court. Let's keep moving, because that's not the best part of this whole thing. Thank you. Okay, special entrance here. This is some of your equipment, but check this out, you guys. Ta-da! For the kiddos, and back we go. Back out, gate, so they don't get stuck in the pool. Moving in, living room, bathroom, garage, master, primary with ensuite. Check out this, laundry in it, stackable, beautiful ensuite with your closet over here. Of course, the commode. Moving upstairs. Second living room. Bathroom. Second bedroom. Come look at this closet though. Built-ins in all of them. Mirror image bedroom on that side. Laundry, full laundry upstairs. Little gaming closet. Another ensuite. Check this out. Go look at that bathroom. And her own little walk-in closet. How sweet is this? You guys come take a look. Little Valley, you can't get any better than this. Look below and click on us to follow more homes.